Welcome to a short video on setting up Private Automation Hub to synchronize content from cloud.redact.com. Here I have successfully installed Private Automation Hub into a AWS instance. All gone okay here. So the next thing is to log into the user interface. Let's go and do that now. Okay, once the user interface comes up, I can log in using the user account and password that I specified in my inventory file. So you can see here in Private Automation Hub, the repository selector is defaulting to published. If we go and have a look at Red Hat Certified, we can see that there's no results found, nothing there at all. So how do I connect the Private Automation Hub Red Hat Certified repository to synchronize content to from cloud.redact.com? And that's actually quite easy to do. The first thing we'd be doing is setting up from the repo management navigation menu on the remote tab. We have here the remote registries repositories being RH certified and community, which is galaxy.com. So to set up the Red Hat certified repository, I click edit, and it's going to ask me for the token. The URL and the single sign-on URL are already populated for me, so I don't need to re-provide those, but I do need to give the token. So how do I get the token? Well, that's quite easy. We just go to cloud.redact.com and we log in using our account. And we select Automation Hub, and we can select a collection here. So Automation Hub, select a collection, select any collection you like, and you get the option to get an API token. So getting an API token is a global task for the organization. If I click on Get API Token, it gives me some detail here. If I want to configure the CLI and the Ansible CFG, but in this case, all I need to do is just click Load Token, and here's the token. So I click Copy, I go back to my Automation Hub, and click Paste. Click Save, and then click Sync. And that's it running. For the purpose of this video, I will pause and come back to it when it's completed. Usually takes about 5 minutes or so to synchronize all 69 partner collections and every single version of them, which I think accounts to around about 212 individual collections. So that should be done in about 5 minutes time, depending on your internet connection. So welcome back, and yes, it did take around about 5 minutes, and it's just completed. So last updated 4 minutes ago, which is when I started it. So yeah, just under 5 minutes to complete. Everything's completed now, synchronized, auto-refreshed. The next thing to do is to change our view to Red Hat Certified for our repository. And by doing that, it will take us to the collections that are in Red Hat Certified. So we can now see that we have a number of collections showing up here. We have 66 collections in all coming through. And we can select one of these. For instance, we can select the Red Hat Satellite collection, and we get the similar instruction sets as we do at cloud.redact.com, telling you how to download it using the CLI, or you can download using the tarball, or obviously you can connect Automation Hub, your Private Automation Hub, directly up to Ansible Tower using credentials, and then Ansible Tower can pull these collections directly from your Private Automation Hub. So that pretty much completes the demonstration of how to connect Red Hat certified content from cloud.redact.com to your Private Automation Hub.